Hello, Dallas. Hello, everyone. This is Anu from iAsia News. Thank you so much for joining. We are having a wonderful evening here, and I have a very special guest with me. So, I have with me Sonal Vaidya and Shruti Vaidya, CEO of Show Asia
I'm good, Anu.
Incorporation.
Thank you for having us, me and Shruti, on your show.
Awesome. So, let's talk about the event that is happening very soon on September 1st. So, Ek Sham Sai Ke Naam, name itself is wonderful, and we are so excited about it. And so, tell me a little bit about what the show is, and also what Show Asia is about, and what are we bringing, what kind of a show that we are bringing to the Dallas community.
That's a very good question, Anu. Thank you. As you said, you are excited, and so are we. Very much excited, and I think Dallas is going to be excited too once they are going to have this show. And this is all about Sai Baba ji. As you heard, like Ek Sham Sai Ke Naam, right? So it's all about Sai Baba ji. There are going to be a lot of beautiful, mesmerizing songs, and there's going to be vendor booths out there, so people can come, enjoy they can purchase things, have fun there. And then we are going to have our show started at like 7 o'clock sharp, 7 p.m on 1st of September. And they're going to have all nice kinds of songs, kavalis from Bollywood. There are going to be classical dances, a kind of fusion dance. It's going to be all together. It's a very fantastic show that we have put together, and it's going to be, I mean, exuberantly very nice experience people are going to have. So that's I'm
So we
looking
also
forward
we
to it.
don't want to reveal all of it. Actually, they have to
Yes.
come and see it, right?
Yeah.
So I'm very sure. So having this itself is like so exciting to hear. So yeah, I mean, like yeah, we are all excited. Let me ask you this one. I'm very sure that there is some good causes also should be supporting. So are there any?
Yes, actually, being talking about Sai Babaji's motive was always to share love, and he never discriminated between any caste and creed, and he was always, into giving. In fact, whatever he used to get from all his devotees, he used to put it in one pot and always used to cook it together and serve it to all the hungry and needy people. And that's what it came in my mind to invite and to have Hunger Mitao, Asavaji, Raj Asavaji and Aradhna Asavaji. And they are doing this great, Hunger Mitao. They are helping eradicating the hunger. And I really, really appreciate it. And also there is one more very nice organization, People Saving People. And I'm sure, I know you are more than, because you are also an ambassador for this.
Yes.
I would
Yes.
like you to,
Yeah,
talk
sure.
about.
The PSP, it is. Thank you for supporting it because I'm the regional awareness ambassador for the state of Texas, and Chiniji is the founder of that one. And
Yeah.
we really want to bring in an awareness in people, like how important it is to
Yeah.
go and register themselves to go and donate the bone marrow. And registration is the only way to do it because this is ethnicity based
Yeah.
donation, and it only happens like 1 in 20,000. So that is the reason we are trying to get more awareness
Awareness.
in our Indian community specifically to
True.
come and just donate.
So I really wanted to give this big shout out to all those actual real time heroes in this. In this event,
Sure.
because I want to bring this awareness that we need to come together as a community
Absolutely.
and help to make this community more stronger in a mindful way.
Absolutely.
Of it, we have one of our sponsors, Tikka Junction, and they have their punchline for this: feeding people with heart.
Oh, wow.
So that's another good thing that we have people joined us who are really very strong devotees of Sai Babaji, and their motto is to feed the people the way Babaji used to
So,
feed.
and also like that leads me to another just a curious question is so you're doing this huge event,
Yeah.
and I'm very sure a lot of people are aware of it, and I'm very sure also the community
Yes.
is giving you a big support. So how is that support keeping along?
Absolutely overwhelming support I've got. I have never thought, organizations like Texala Stones, what an amazing stones they have. So they are there as a sponsor. Then we have Texas Primary Care. They are awesome again. They are supporting us totally. And so you can see how much love we are getting from everywhere.
Everyone. Just one last question, Sunilji. So tell me, like, what is there a good message, that you want to spread in our community through this event?
Yeah, certainly. I would, appeal and everybody in the community to come together, have Babaji's blessings, come over, get your seats booked now so that you don't miss such a mesmerizing evening that you all are going to enjoy throughout your life. And we would like such programs to come, and we would definitely bring such more programs for the community. And we would like to bring the heroes of community,
Sure. Yes.
forward.
Yeah.
And let's
And
join hands and
and I'm sure that you all are getting a lot of love and the support from the community through this message. I'm hoping that people do come along and just get like to
Yeah.
give your
Yeah.
support
Also, if
more.
I have to add, this was very important that there are a lot of Sai temples in Dallas, and they are all very excited. We have been to
Yes.
all the temples, and they're very, very excited, and they will all be there to support this event.
Again, tell our audience like where this is happening and the date again.
So yes, so this is happening in Grapevine, Texas, the Palace Arts Center, 300 South Main Street, Grapevine, Texas, and you got to be there.
Yeah.
And the public, for public it is opening on 5 o'clock. For all the booths and vendors, you can come over and enjoy. You can enjoy the paintings there, and a lot of other booths are culturally enriched.
Yes.
And then the show will be in the auditorium style. It is going to start at 7, and the tickets are very, very nominal. It's like something to encourage everybody to come. It's like $11 for general tickets, and then there are the VIPs which will have some dinners for especially for the production team and the sponsors.
Right.
And yeah, so I'm looking forward to all as a community. I think Sonal wants to say something.
yeah, actually, I was saying like we have this thing in mind that everybody should come. So that's why we keep the tickets very low so that everybody can have this blessing from Babaji and enjoy the evening. And if for some reason anybody thinks that uh, I mean, if they want a complimentary ticket or something, feel free to write to our company, theshowasia.com. Just send for the info at theshowasia.com, and we would be happy to sponsor your ticket in case you feel like and you want to.
And
Right.
I would like to add a great thank you for iAsia TV, and thank you, Anu, and thank you to the Krishna Puttaparthi ji. Thank you for giving your time.
Absolutely.
And,
appreciate
for
it.
the
For the
great
community, absolutely.
I appreciate
and,
it. Yeah.
hopefully you all, get this message and support and come in big and,
Yeah.
just make this show very successful. Thank you so
Yes.
much for joining.
Om Sai Ram.
Om Sai.